Drives you crazy. I can't smell anything.
Can you? Makes my eyes water.
Oh yeah, it's so bad right now I couldn't jack up a pastrami sandwich in a deli at lunch hour.
Okay, so your noses are useless. None of our tracking systems work. We compensate for it how?
Modified chromatographic scanner, typically used to detect chemical weapons traces. Now, I function the sensors to detect the densest concentration of invisible fugly. Bit of trial and error with the calibration, sort of like tuning a guitar with your nose.
Which looks good on a resume.
All right. Coordinated steps. Save radio contact. Bring them back on home. But you're dying for a rematch?
Understatement.